Hey gang, it's Captain Visual here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super ball out of a balloon. Now, there was a question out there as to what was the surprise balloon that you like to give kids, and I always tell them, I'm going to make you the hardest thing I can make. And of course, they sit there with great anticipation. Well, wait till you check this out. I'm going to use a clear balloon so you can see what's going on here. Now, we all, I hope, know how to make inserts. I'm going to go through that real basically here. So you take a balloon and you blow it up part way. You want to have plenty of tail left over here. And you just do a pinch twist. Now you want your bubble to ultimately be smaller than the diameter of the 260. So it'll be about an inch round. And once you take that, you want to seat your fingers in such a way that it's not going to like squirt out and stuff. And you want to push it inside. You push it inside the balloon. Can you see it in there? See where my finger is? And you grab that bubble, and as you pull your finger out, you tear off the some of the balloon. Oh, there it goes. Now, your bubble is floating around on the inside. Now, we like to make dogs out of this and call them a little pregnant poodle. But what we're going to do is we're just going to let the air kind of go around it and twist it off and shove it back in. Okay? And we're going to keep repeating that process. Now, see how I have a little bit of tail left there? I'm going to tuck it over, twist it, stick them back in there. And you just repeat it over and over again. So you're getting layer after layer of latex over that bubble. And it's getting harder and harder. Now, ultimately, you're going to get all the way down to where there's not a whole lot of room left. So what I like to do is just let the air out. It's like such. Can you see it in there? And grab a pair of safety scissors. I usually have it attached to my Balloon Artist field bag, hanging right there. But what I'll do is I'll just snip off the excess. And there you have it. Now, I'll give it to the kids. I'll say, there you go. Feel how hard that is. And I'm telling you, gang, you can squeeze it and it's not going to pop. And then I say, after they're amazed at how hard it is, I'll go ahead, bounce it. And because it's kind of got a funky little shape going, it's not perfectly round, that bad boy will bounce, doing, 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 all over the place. And the kids will chase it around and they'll get all excited. And everyone will want one. I like to give it to like the older kids because they're usually not too impressed with the balloon animal or whatever. And I'll be like, I'll give you something you like and I'll make that balloon super ball, and I'll be like, wow, and all the little kids will be begging, I want one, I want one. Now, the other thing you can do is if you don't carry super balls around with you or little pom-poms and you're in need of making wiggly eyes, you can make them, put them inside a clear round or whatever, and make a face, stick it on a Joe Cool. That's a whole nother video coming up. And I like to put them inside a 260 and squeeze them and launch them across the room. It's a really cool little item, easy to make, and it'll impress the crowd. Hope you like it, gang. Captain Visual signing out. Here we go.